I want to make a video. 1130 Magnolia. And done a clean out after I jetted it. A couple issues, I'll let you know. Okay, zero her out. Here we go. This is the ABS pipe. Right here you got a little dislocate going on. You can see the clay right there where they connected up to the ABS. Push past that. Went into the clay. This was loaded with roots. It was ripped down, by the way. Cleaned it all out with a jetter. Right here you got another little section where you got a little dislocate going on. Possible break in the clay. So once you push past that, all this was ripped down, every joint. We'll go to the connection. And there's your street connection. 43 feet. She's all cleaned out, just got a couple issues. I marked them on the grass. I'll show you.